The farthest individual star ever detected in the very distant universe is located 12.9 billion light-years away from us, and it was first discovered by the Hubble Space Telescope in March 2022. James Webb Space Telescope just confirmed Hubble's observations in a release on August 8, 2023. The star is so far away that its light traveled 12.9 billion years to reach Earth. When the light left the star, our Milky Way galaxy was only 5% of its current age, and our solar system didn't form until the light had traveled 9 billion years. Grasping these numbers can be quite challenging, and you might find yourself wondering how we could possibly detect a star located at such an immense distance. The farther away an object is, the fainter it appears. That makes distant objects very hard to see, even for the most powerful telescopes, because they can only collect so much light. Normally at these distances, entire galaxies look like small dim smudges with the light from millions of stars blending together. Fortunately, nature provides a helping hand via a magic magnifying glass. According to Einstein, incredibly massive objects can create such strong gravity that they bend the space-time fabric. This bending of space-time affects the path that light takes through space. Normally light travels in a straight line, but this distortion can make it appear as though it's following a different path. This phenomenon also occurs when light from distant galaxies or stars passes through areas with this warped space. In a sense, the warping of space functions like a magnifying glass. Just as a magnifying glass gathers and alters light, causing objects like a light bulb to appear larger and more luminous, the distortion of space can similarly affect the way we perceive light from distant objects. So what acts like the biggest magnifying glass in space? Galaxy clusters are the most massive things in the universe with the most gravity. A galaxy cluster is a large group of galaxies held together by gravity, containing anywhere from a few to thousands of galaxies. If you haven't already, check out our video on 10 mind-blowing facts about the universe for details. Link is in the video description. When light from a distant object passes through a cluster, the cluster acts like a slightly imperfect magnifying glass. This leads to the light being amplified and altered. Light that might have gone in different directions is bent toward our telescopes, granting us a more detailed view of those distant objects. This captivating phenomenon is known as gravitational lensing. This natural process essentially extends our reach and enables us to explore the cosmos further back in both space and time. Both Hubble and Webb were able to detect the individual star due to its lucky alignment, behind a wrinkle in spacetime created by the massive galaxy cluster, WHL 013708. The galaxy cluster located between us and the star is so massive that it warps the fabric of space itself, which produces a magnifying effect, allowing astronomers to look through the cluster like a magnifying glass. Scientists named the star as Earendel, which means morning star in Old English. It is located in the Sunrise Arc galaxy. It is estimated to be more than twice as hot as our Sun, and about 1 million times more luminous. While other features in the galaxy appear multiple times due to the gravitational lensing, Earendel only appears as a single point of light even in Webb's high-resolution infrared imaging. Based on this, astronomers determine the object is magnified by a factor of at least 4,000, and thus is extremely small, the most distant star ever detected, observed 1 billion years after the Big Bang. Although Earendel appears as a tiny dot in the image, it is a gateway to understanding conditions in the very early universe. That concludes this video. Don't miss out on our next installment as we continue to unravel the secrets of the cosmos. We hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.